What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Today, I'm going to talk to you about grow lights. Yes, grow lights. And you don't have to go out and buy a whole bunch of stuff. You just need to have the right light. Okay? Okay! And most of us YouTubers, we like to have our camera right. We like to have our lighting right. And we just like to try to, show you guys what things look like. I'm still learning, y'all. I don't have it down pat. I'm just enjoying myself growing. So I'm just going to give you a quick hint on a grow light setup. This is a basic plastic container you can get from Family Dollar, anywhere you want to get it from. I suggest you guys, hi, it's Skinny Boy Randy. I love you guys. You're the best. Go to the thrift store. Y'all, don't spend a whole bunch of money. Don't spend a whole bunch of money, because what God got in the ground is going to grow your seeds, okay? So this is just one of those containers. You know how you put your laundry in and everything? And I have stuff in here already because I had them on here for the last, day or two? Yeah. So just want to give you an idea. It's just a regular container, okay? And now on this side is my vent, one of the vents that I have. Yeah. And we're remodeling. And you see this right here? Yeah. See, that's that crust from the water where a pot was sitting. So we're gonna use this little area, the non-remodeled area, for the heat, because this is a vent, you guys. It's a vent. God is good. You can take something that doesn't look so pretty and be like, oh wow, it's a heat source. And I can put this container next to it, not on it, but next to it, and give my plants the heat that they need, the germination that they need, because they're still growing. We have the Rutgers tomatoes, we have the big sweet peppers, we have big gems, we have Cardinal Hybrid, we have California Wonders, we have all kinds of things growing in this container, you guys. And now, a long time ago, when I started doing the videoing things, I ordered one of, just a little, the light like this. I don't want to put it in your face like that, but it's just that light. And it has the silver already in it, and it's made to mimic daylight. So I thought, okay, I checked the looms and I checked the Kelvins. And the Kelvins were at 65 to 6800 in this bulb, which is perfect for my plants. And all I did was take it and sit it right over top. Look you guys. I took it off the tripod and set it right on top. So you look inside, it's lit up like a Christmas tree. Okay. So it's been doing great. This is just one of the grow light setups you can do. Okay? You can use your light and put it right over your container. And I sit it next to the vent. Over there. I think I'm covering it. Sit it next to the vent. I hope you guys can see. Okay. The vent is over there and it's blowing on our plants. Now these are inside, not the greenhouse. But yeah. See how bright this light is? Ooh, this is a nice light, y'all. Am I videoing? Hi. Probably upside down, right? But okay, you guys, just to give you an update, you can make your own greenhouse. Use what you have. Don't spend a lot of money. I love you guys. I can't get this camera right. Oh, there it is. I'm so sorry. You guys are the best. Love you. Peace out. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. And put your light on your greenhouse.